Hello, greetings to you, beautiful souls. This is another wonderful day and another opportunity for us to learn another beautiful head wrap with just pieces of Akara material. You can see what is on my hand now. This is the width and this is just the length. Okay, so we're going to use it now and make beautiful head wrap on our head. All right, here we go. So from the lines this way, I use the wrong side. The wrong side of the material will be in your front. So by the time you turn it, I'm going to turn it. By the time you turn it, you'll be having the right side. But if you use the right side to tie it, by the time you turn it, you'll be having the wrong side of the material. So when you want to tie it, you use the wrong side of the material in your front this way. Okay. So taking everything to the back as you see me doing now. Then knot it. Before I knot it the second time, I want to adjust it from the front before you knot it the second time, the tightness that you want. Because if you knot it very tight, you might not be able to adjust it well the way you want it. So now that I've adjusted it from the front, I will now knot it the second time, thereby making it very, very firm. Okay, very firm. Okay, all right, here we go. Then this part now, just raise it up, started plating it. Then see this side now, taking it to the back, tuck it in here. Tuck it in. All right. Then coming over to this side, continue the rough plates, just rough plates, you understand? Rough plates, and you're going to use just these small pieces of Akara material and have a round head wrap on your head. You can see our head wrap is ready. Oh, it's just for me to adjust it now. Alright, so so you keep arranging it until you get the desired choice you want. All right, now you can leave it like this. If actually you're not going anywhere and you're not dancing, you're not checking your head, you can leave it like this. But if you really want it to be very, very firm, I'll tell you a secret that you're going to do. You know, this thing is Akara material. It's not other strong like Achoke that you can just use and tie your round and it starts like that. So what are you going to do? Just pick your office pin and pin some lines together. See here now, fasten it down. Okay, just pin randomly. Okay, pick some line and pin randomly so that even when you go out and you're dancing and maybe you enter bike or you're in a car, the breeze will not scatter it easily. So pick your pin and fasten some lines together. That will make it very, very firm. Okay, so just pick some line and pin them together. Perfect. All right, as I said, we'll just pin randomly until you get the desired shape that you want, and you're good to go. The head wrap is ready. So this is what we have here. This is what you can use the pieces of Ankara material to do. So if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, the person you're hearing my voice is Demi Igele Empire. Please do what to connect with me on this channel. You have a lot to learn. I mean a lot to learn. And those of you who are already with me, thank you so much. I thank you. I love you all. And those of you who have been sharing my video, kudos to you and God will bless you the more. So please don't forget to share my videos and above all practice. Practice the same makes perfect. If you keep on practicing before you know it's your life. So see you in my next video. I love you all.